welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss about the history of Indian newspaper. In previous video we discussed about newspapers of Indian history. So today we are discussing another newspaper of Indian history called as the Tribune newspaper. So what is the newspaper here? The Tribune newspaper. Which newspaper we are discussing today here? The Tribune newspaper. So here the Tribune newspaper founded by the founder. Who is the founder of this Tribune newspaper? Means Dayal Singh Majithia. Dayal Singh Majithia is the founder of the Tribune newspaper. He is the founder of Dayal Singh Majithia is the founder of the Tribune newspaper. And in which year it is founded? Means so which newspaper? The Tribune newspaper is founded by Dayal Singh Majithia, which 2nd February 1881. Which year it is established or founded? 2nd Feb 1881, which we are where? Lahore, Punjab. So here before independence, all Pakistan, Bangladesh are Union of India or United India will there. We will be there. All India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all are united only. After the independence, so they are all separate from India. Correct? So before 1881, before independence, the Lahore is the part of our Punjab only, right? So part of India only. So when it is founded, 2nd February 1881, Lahore in Punjab, right? Who is the founder? Dayal Singh Majithia. And in which language it is published? Means it is the English language. Which language? English language will be published, right? And operating city. Which is the operating city? Means it will be the Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the operating city. And after that, language English, operating city Chandigarh, and founded 2nd Feb 1881, Lahore, Punjab. And type means it is a magazine is there, or a weekly magazine or a monthly magazine or a daily newspaper. Means it is a daily newspaper. Okay. So which kind of paper it is there? Daily newspaper is there. And other newspapers of this Tribune newspaper, right? So other newspaper also newspapers are established by Tribune newspaper, which are in place here. Dainik Tribune, especially it is published in Hindi language. So other newspapers of this Tribune newspaper is another newspaper they will publishing means Dainik Tribune. So in which language it is? Hindi. Another the newspaper will be published by this Tribune newspaper. Other which one is Punjabi Tribune. Punjabi Tribune. Language again what? Punjabi. Okay. So basically other two newspapers. Other than that, which one? Tribune newspaper. Other than that, there are two newspapers established by this newspaper group. So one is the Dainik Tribune in Hindi language, and another one is the Punjabi Tribune in Punjabi language. So which newspaper is there? Tribune newspaper, and founder Dayal Singh Majithia. India and founded 2nd Feb 1881, where Lahore, Punjab. Language English language, operating city is Chandigarh, and type is what a daily newspaper. And other newspaper of this Tribune newspaper means one is the Dainik Tribune. It is published in Hindi language, and Punjabi Tribune is published in what a Punjabi language. Okay, this is about what a history of Indian newspaper, especially Tribune newspaper. So next video we will discuss about next newspaper, and we discussed so many newspapers in this series. So you can check in our playlist and you will get all the videos of this Indian history of newspaper. So until that, you will stay tuned with our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.